Uptown Suites Hotel sa Barangay Capital site.
And wala kami magawa and biglag lang kami. Wala pa kaming guests
Wala
for
pa kaming
today.
Sana ay baka gusto nyong
Pumunta dito at muni-muni. We're happy to serve you. Here, the rate para sa sinulog upcoming January 16 to 17-18 to 2026. Junior suites namin, 1 queen bed, 3,199, good for 2. And we have also here standard room, 2 single bed,
For only
3,199 only, good for 2. And we have family rooms here, deluxe triple, 1 queen and 1 single bed, for only 3,999, good for 3. Deluxe quadruple 2 queen bed, for only 4,699, good for 4. And we have also 2 VIP rooms, like 1 queen bed, 5,999, good for 2 only. And that's it. Extra bed per night. We also offer extra bed per night, 1,500 per night. So, babayad kayo ng advance payment.
cash advance.
Tapos hindi nyo itutuloy. Ito lang masasabi ko, hindi kami nag-offer hindi kami nag-refund. That's it.
Yeah.
And we have a party package here at Uptown Hotel. And
Ito.
we also offer here at the Uptown Hotel a package, like a party package. We have offer till September 20 only, 30K promo package, good for 50 packs with venue plus free lechon. Here's the inclusion. Food buffet is 4 menu, 1 dessert and rice, 1 round drinks, purified water, tables and chairs, utensils, waiters, food buffet set up. Aside from that, we have decorations, basic stage backdrop, balloons, garland, team character, name signage, single entrance balloons, mood lights. And that's it for the package.
Okay, kamusta naman yung mo, yung first 1 week mo dito sa Uptown Suites?
Well, sa first 1 week ko, at first hindi ko masyadong nakukuha yung strategy ko paano paggamitin yun sa computer. And aside from that, hindi ko pa sila kabisado. Pero
What do you mean hindi mo pa kabisado?
hindi ko pa kabisado. Napapagalitan pa ako. And the second day naman, okay na siya. May natutunan ako sa tatlong to. Like, kay Angela din, tapos kay Elsa, and kay Edward. Natuto akong, tinuruan nila ako kung paano mag front desk and paano magtanong sa mga guests. And aside from that, until 3 days and 4 and 5 and 6 nights, natuto din ako. Medyo. Hindi naman perfect. Pero at least
Ano siya? Fast learner at yun.
yun na yan.
Oo. So okay naman dito, na-enjoy mo naman yung pagtatrabaho mo dito sa ating hotel.
Oo naman. Nag-housekeeping kaya ako.
Kaya nga paglinis.
Salamat sa panonood nyo.
Salamat sa panonood nyo. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Please like,
For
share,
more
and
videos.
subscribe.
I know gold is not enough.